What are the risks of moon dust and heat in lunar exploration? At UNT, my research involves the engineering of heat transfer, nanomaterials, and aerospace applications. Moon dust is highly stratified, so at the top layer is a very fine layer of dust. So it has a consistency of baking flour. And with that kind of fine consistency of moon dust, it is easy to become electrostatically charged. Dust often gets trapped within not only mechanical components, but also, of course, sticking to manned exploration components. Because of those accumulation of dust, we often have problems with thermal management as well as mechanical problems on the moon. Yeah, so our lab utilizes spectrometers. So we have an array of UV to near-infrared spectrometers, and we use those to characterize the optical properties of dust. So we load the dust into a powder holder, and we can obtain the reflectance of the lunar dust. So this is really important for understanding how does heat get deflected from the sun to objects on the moon.
Is he on the ground at all?
So with moon dust, inevitably you have accumulation onto surfaces. So several ways that you can go about it is you can use something like a big windshield wiper. Now that presents its issues by itself because on the moon you have lower gravity, but also that when you have big mechanical components, over time they start to wear. So you need to replace a lot of these components. So one of the most interesting techniques is that you can use electrostatically dissipating surfaces. So for example, these surfaces will then charge the dust particles so that they roll off easily. So we're researching surfaces that allow you to discharge dust and also to mechanically move dust en masse off of our surfaces. Thanks for joining me today in the lab. Check out the playlist in the description to see more videos from the lab and hit that subscribe button.